Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these tumbling blocks from Dollar Tree and some transfers from Temu. I start by taking 5 tumbling tower blocks. I glue 3 of them together side by side. The other 2 I glue on either end of those 3 blocks. Once I have them in place, I add some painter's tape on it to hold them together while the glue sets. I make 4 sets of those. I let those sit overnight before I work with them again, but typically I'll wait just about half an hour before I can work with them again. I remove the tape, and then I'm painting them with khaki color acrylic paint, and that's by Apple Barrel, and I gave that a couple coats. Dried those completely, and then I'm taking white acrylic paint and a baby wipe and whitewashing them entirely. Just put a small amount on the baby wipe and then blend it all over that khaki paint. And then take the rub-on transfers from Temu and I cut out different images, placing one on each of those tumbling blocks, getting it lined up before I press it down, and then just using a stick to rub on the image and then slowly peeling the film from the front to make sure that it's fully stuck down. Once those are all on there, I apply Mod Podge to each of those and cover the entire front and then dry that completely. Next, I'm taking this red and white twine I got from Dollar Tree, and I didn't measure, I just went about the size I would want to use for a hanger and cut 4 of those. I take the twine and I fold it in half, and the 2 ends that are together, I'm hot gluing that to the top of the ornament, and then add some painter's tape to the top of that loop, and then feed that through this white bead, and then remove that tape. I add some more hot glue to the top of the ornament, right above that twine, and glue down the bead. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.